Ooh, what's up, everybody? It's your boy, Sparky CJ, back again with another Pokemon Leaf Green Randomizer. That's the last time we left out. We made our way to Vermilion City. Encountered 3 new Pokemon, Screeching from Alligator, being a pain, an Oddish, and then Politoed that tried to kill himself. Now we gotta make our way to the SSN. Flash my ticket. Boom. Great, welcome to the SSN. Here we have to obtain the HM for cut. And who do I want up front? I forgot the box Oddish. Well, he's gonna stay right there to make sure I don't use him. I am but a solitary traveler. My sole companions are friends and friends are Pokemons. Okay, Gentleman Thomas. He has a Gorbis. What you gonna do? Shell Smash? Hit you with a pound. Whirlpool, really? Mega Punch? No. I resist that, my friend. Come on! You try to keep me stuck into it. Get up out of here. Mega Punch, you and your accuracy. Baltoy. Marsha, take care of it. You go with a water gun. Get out of here. That's not my room. I think my room is one of these rooms right here. You like it tired, we like to take a short. Okay, it's this one right here. Instantly won a battle. You insolent poke. How dare you barge in? I'm sorry, forgive me, please. Oh, Paris. Mega Punch. Level 26. Attack power is 60, 65 special. I need some special type moves, man. Swinub. I'll give that to George. You tripped me. You gotta learn. You gotta give me Psychic or something. Confusion. Endure. So he's gonna hit that one. It's gonna be like Focus Sash. Okay, that's cool though. Waiter, I like cherry pie, please. I'm not a waiter. Yeah, Jigglypuff just chilling over here. Actually, my bad. Wigglytuff. I swear she turned and she didn't see me. A Weedle. Critical hit. Pinsir. What do I want? What do I really want? I'm going to Lola. Hit you that. Oh, Bide. Hit you with this rollout. Seismic Toss. And down goes the Pinsir. Now you can't get around her. You have to battle both of them. A Pine. Oh, he's gonna go for self-destruct. He's gonna go for a self-destruct. 59, 49, 51. I mean, you have the better defense to take an explosion. But we need to one-shot it. We need to take this pine cone out, one-shot it, please. Dang it! Okay, you can go for a tackle. Pound should take it out. It does not. Takedown, that's fine, that's fine. Ooh, that scared me so much, man. He's going for a protect, really? Come on, don't dub. You cannot dub protect. That scared me because he do get that move. TM41 milk drink. Well, go ahead and stop by our room and heal. It's cool though. You got it. I can heal. I can sleep in this room, and that's all. There's also the chicken here. I'm gonna tell Team Rocket there's nothing. Wait a minute. He said, "Shh, I'm a global police agent. I'm on the trail of Team Rocket. They're up to nothing good." So you would think he could be Looker, but he's not. Pechaberry. Can't you get like leftovers? Oh, I think was that supposed to be leftovers or something like that. I think someone is. I think it's possible to get another item in here. Yeah, it's okay. Yeah, it's zinc. Mystic water. And an amulet coin. So I got 3 good items. Well, actually 2 good items, actually. I'm gonna give it to Lola. But Mystic Water, I'm gonna give the Mystic Water to Marshall. Okay. So let's come over here. But Machop super strong, has super strength to move big rocks. Experience share. Let's go. And a calcium. But I'm not going to use it though. Aye aye, Captain. Sailor Duncan. Okay, he has a water type that fits for him. For now. Mega punch. Really? I thought it would be enough to one-shot it. A Lulicolo. Lulicolo. Who do I really want? You know what, George? He's kind of big. Hit him with a low kick. Hit him with a low kick. Hit him with a low kick. Level 27. Mr. Mime. We're going to Marshall for this one. Mud shot. Marshall level 27. So my team is slowly getting up there. If I would have brought a 5th Pokemon that I actually want to use, then that wouldn't be too much of a problem. Freaking Tauros would intimidate. I gotta go into George. Hopefully he doesn't. Pursuit! Oh, never mind. This thing got Pursuit, really? Really? Well, actually, I should have went for low kick in the first place. Because I would have went ahead and tried pinch on the team. But I mean, I think I'm okay. I mean, you know, they're all this 27. They get to 30 and they won't. Then they stop listening. Dang it! I like fights to kids like you. What the freaking crap is wrong with you? A Centiquil. Ball beam. In Louise. I'm gonna stay in. Oh, I didn't mean to go for a water gun. I meant to go for a rollout. Sweet scent. Lower my invasion, but that's fine. You got Drowsy. I wish I had the dark type moves. Actually, I'm just gonna stay in. Just stay in. I have no reason to switch out. Oh, he disabled the rollout. And then he puts me to sleep. He better, oh, I swear, if he has Dream Eater, why would you disable? You can't disable it twice. You stop doing that. Why is he spamming disable? That's so weird. Like he was ready to disable whatever move I was going to use. A yellow shard. So I have now 2 yellow shards. Okay, you have a Ponyta. Bubble Beam. Oh, the Growl. That's fine though. Level 27 for you. Everybody's level 27. That's cool. He's sending in a Mew of his own. I'm finna send in my boy Marshall. But at level 20, well, whatever level you is, you're not gonna have no psychic type moves. You shouldn't have it. Well, actually, he probably would. I'll go for a Mud Shot though. Transform into me. That's fine. That's fine. I just lowered that speed of the Mew. Mud Shot again. Can I get a crit? We're gonna go for Tackle. Ha. Mud Shot takes you out. Easy. You defeated Sailor Hugh. Huey, no, it's Huey. It's Huey. And it's a TM-22 Steel Wing. In the last room. Matey, you're walking the plank if you lose. If I lose, I white out. So yeah. Nidoran. Lola would easily take care of that with Bubble Beam. I don't have to worry about Poison Point. Oh, dang it. Double kick. That's fine. You need more power, Nidoran. You need more power. Oh yeah, Amulet Coin. Good thing I'm using Lola. Because now I'm just stacking up a lot of money. He brings in a Scizor. Nothing I can't really do too much to a Scizor. So I just gonna stay in this Bubble Beat him. Okay, it's a 2-hit KO. Not bad at all. And down goes the Scizor. Next in is a Chinchou. Yo, Marshall, take care of that for me, man. Mud Shot. And down goes the Chinchou. Next is a Miltank. Easy. George, hit them legs. Get them legs. Hit you with that low kick. And down goes the Miltank. My guys ain't got no chills. Darn, I let that one get away. Man, you're not even fishing. You're inside. Well, you're on a ship. In a room. Can't be fishing. Get out of here with that. Now to head up. This is a ship luxury liner for trainers. Now I'm gonna head up to the front. Our captain is a sword master. He's awesome using cuts. I think it's only 2 trainers. Yeah, I think it's only 2 up here. Oh, it might be just one. He has a Scizor as well. Well, it's a good thing I still have Lola up front. I can just take him out with these Bull Beams. And Deja Vu, the last one, did the same exact move. But with 28 for Lola. Vileplume, just based off what we dealing with. I think I'll go into Divine. Maybe I'll punch you in the face. Absorb, do a little bit of damage, and down goes Vileplume. I'll pitch you up front over here. Okay. I think it's one more. Again, I think he's the only one. Well, I think it's only these two. A Ninjask. I can't mess with a Ninjask. But I'll go Lola. Fairy Swipes, ha 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 ha. Leech Life. Good lord, it's one shot him. Electrike, Marshall. And down goes Electrike. Yeah, it's just those two. Wait a minute, it looks like we're still where we haven't set sail yet. Do 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 do. But now it's to head over here to these extra rooms. I think there's still more. I think there's more trainers. Whoops. I meant to go up here. Oh, he gave me Journey for Far and Wide, but in my travels I've never seen any Pokemon sleep like this one. It's something like this. So he showed me what a Snorlax looks like. We got more trainers to deal with before we take on Gary. Xatu, I can't mess. I can't do it. The Leer, Rollout, Nightshade only gonna do 17. Down goes Xatu. Pelipper, I'm gonna stay in. Sableye. I go Marshall. He has no weaknesses to this point. But I can use anything to take him out. Mankey is evolving. George is becoming a primate. Do 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 do. Congratulations, your George evolved into a primate. He wants to learn Rage. Get attacked that becomes strong each time the user is hit in battle. I'll pass on it. Let's look at George's new stats. Not bad at all, not bad. So let's switch you and take Marshall up front. Oh, little old Eevee. I have to mudshot him. Oh no, the growl. That's fine. I love you, Eevee. I really do. And it's a red shard. I'm getting these shards like all day. I'm getting these shards and stuff like that back and forth. How many trainers is left? Okay, it's these two. Okay, still a lot more trainers to deal with. The leap, pound, not very effective. Good lord. Astonish, constrict. So you got just those two moves, and yep, you just got those two moves. A Sea King. I'm gonna stay in. Mega Punch. Tail Whip. Pound to take you out. Because they be trying to block these items. A Martial Bracer. And I think it makes you slower. It promotes growth but lowers speed while it's held. A Camera. I'm going to Marshall. This seems like the better bet. The better choice. Time for effective, baby. Minion. I'm just going to stay in. And mud shot you. I'm just making all types of Pokédollars. I think that's all the trainers. Oh yeah, that's it. That is it. So I'm going to go back and heal. And then we'll head up to get ready to take on Gary. Which I believe I'm going to just completely annihilate his team. Do 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 do. Oh, freaking A. Boom, bonjour, CJ. Imagine seeing you here. CJ, were you really invited? So how's your Pokédex coming? I already caught 40 kinds, pal. Different kinds are everywhere. Crawling around in the grassy area and look hard for them. Fine then, Razor. Let's go. You and your 4 Pokemons. You have a why not? Why must you have a why not? Well, I'm just go. Oh, Shadow Tag. Freaking A. I gotta be careful. Mirror Coats. So I can go for probably a Mega Punch and then knock him out. And down goes the Why Not. He tried, man. He really did. Nidoran, male. Send to Marshall. Hit you with a mud shot. And I missed. I think that's the first time I missed mud shot. Come on. Mud shot. Take him out. And down goes a Nidoran. Magikarp, really? Really? A Magikarp? Mud shot. But just so I can get more money from him, I'm gonna bring in he has Combustion. I'm gonna send in Lola. Cause you know I gotta get that Pokédollar. Pokédollars. Bubble Beam. And down goes the Combustion. Level 29 for Lola. At least you raise your Pokemon. You rude, Gary. Raise your rude. I heard there was a cut master on board, but he's just a seasick old man. Cut itself is really useful. Yet, it'll be handy. You should go see him too. Smell you later. Fine, then I'll go pat his back. Rub, 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 rub. And magically he feels better. I feel like I'm gonna have to keep Oddish on the team, just so I can actually use cut. Wait, it's up here. Oh, Mew and then Oddish can learn cut. But yeah, that's it. I can head off the ship. And it goes bye-bye. See you later, SSN. I will never get to see you again, because I only get one ticket. So, let me see what do I really want to do. Oh yeah, I got a challenge, Lieutenant Surge anyway. But I think I'm just gonna go ahead. What I'm gonna do is go ahead and put on. Dang it! I'm gonna go ahead and put Trap Pinch on the team. But I'm gonna leave Oddish just because of the fact of cut. So item for you. Give me the experience share. An item for you will be. Oh, actually, no item. No, I just gotta teach you. Cut. Oh, freaking A, my bad. Yeah, you can't hold the HM. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Like, leave a comment. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll catch you guys later. Deuces.